try to find out chemical, psychological, any kind of means that people could do to influence the behavior of the people.
What's up, dude? What you doing over there?
Hey, taking some of this insulation off so we can do some rewiring for the control room.
Oh yeah, the electricals for this beautiful Neve.
So right now we just replaced all the electrical for the back side of the control room. It wasn't long enough, and also I think there were less spots we were going to drop it. So we went ahead and had to take out a couple of these guys, you know, even though we already did it. And then as soon as we're done, we replaced the wiring here. Had to thread it through all these little, you know, hooks right here. Had to go all the way along this side to redo all that, right? Make sure the wire is 2 feet because it's to code, right? So everything has to be for the junction box so that we don't, you know, break any rules or set anything on fire. And then we got this one going all the way to the end. And yeah, as soon as we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and put all the insulation back up, and then put the junction boxes, put the fixtures, you know, put the drywall, and then our back of our control room should be done.
So it's good, just go easy on the staples, that's all.
Okay.
Especially because I don't have that many left.
Yeah. It's coming out. It came out.
That happens. Yeah, those wires snag, they should just be cut off.
Yeah. Literally, my fingers are in between. I don't feel my fingers. All right.
So now you grab your stapler, get the nail fin out, get it flushed up against that beam, and then you can just start stapling it.
Get this corner in, huh?